Ma'am, the brokerage is fixed at 5%, okay? Ma'am, the brokerage is, it's fixed at 5%, Arjun. If you agree to it, we could talk further about the deal. If you agree, we could talk. We will talk more about the deal. What's happening?
Arjun, you are still learning your lines. Arjun, Kush told you that Niharika can call you any moment.
Me?
Yes, she will call on our new number. Look, Kush gave Niharika the brokers. He gave our number. And look, Arjun, can you do this? I know, Arjun, this is easy. Even I could have done it too. But Niharika will suspect us. She will suspect me. Actually, brokers are usually men. So I don't want to take any risk. Arjun, let's do this once, please.
All right. Let's try it one more time.
Yes.
Oh, madam, the deal is worth millions of rupees. It's worth millions. 300 feet, 300 acre land.
Arjun, what are you doing? Arjun, why are you so nervous?
I'm trying, am I not? I am nervous. What should I do?
Arjun, these are just a few lines. Can't you remember them?
I'm not an actor. Now stop pressurizing me. And anyway, I'm not convinced with your plan. What if something goes wrong?
Arjun, look, trust me. There won't be any mistake. We just need to convince Niharika for once. Everything will go smoothly. Please, just once. Let's do this. All right?
Okay,
We'll
fine,
do
fine,
it.
yes.
Fine, yes.
Let's do
yes.
it. Madam, the deal... Will you stand here? Go, please. If you stand here like this, I won't be able to practice.
Hey! No, Arjun. You will have to practice in front of me. Go on.
Diya, will you please go? I won't be able to practice with you standing here. I feel nervous.
No, Arjun. I'm not confident about you. No. Please, do it in front of me once. Practice. Please. All right. Tring, tring.
What are you saying?
Arjun, your phone is ringing. It's
Who told you my
Niharika.
phone's ringing? Huh? This is not my phone. That's not my ringtone. There's no tring-tring.
Arjun, I know what you are doing. Come on, start again. Yes?
Go on, do it. Make that sound.
Yes. Tring, tring.
Hello?
Hello? This is Niharika Agarwal here.
Yes, Niharika, tell me.
Arjun, you can't talk to her like that. Arjun, she is your client. You're a broker.
All right,
No, not
let's
like
try
that.
again.
Don't address her like that. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. This is Niharika Agarwal.
Who's that?
Arjun, I just told you my name. Niharika Agarwal. Oh Lord, you can't remember 2 lines, Arjun.
Listen, don't scold me like a teacher, okay? I can't do this.
Hey, how can you do it? You have to do it. Look, Arjun, this is our last chance. Fine. Please do it. Please do
What have
it.
you gotten me into? She says do it.
Where did the broker's number go? Yes, it's here. Should I tell Love about this deal or not? I should ask him. Yes. No. Do I always have to ask him everything? After all, I'm an equal partner in our property business. Let me talk to the broker myself. Let me see if it's profitable and how much investment is needed. Who knows? I might not even need him. Well...
Ma'am, the brokerage is fixed at 5%. If you agree, we could talk more about the deal. Ma'am, the deal is worth millions. 300 acres, 3,000 million.
Called. She called. Niharika called. It's her call. Arjun, answer the phone. Niharika. Arjun, take a deep breath. Arjun, you can't get nervous, right? We can't get exposed if you get nervous, and that would affect Kush also.
You're making me more
okay,
nervous.
okay, talk.
Hello, who's this?
Hello. This is Niharika Agrawal here.
Who's Niharika? And what do you want? Yeah, get to the point. I don't have time.
You are Anant, right? The broker?
Yes, of course. I am Anant. I am Anant. I end all the big deals in Kolkata. I make all the deals. And excuse me, I'm not a broker. I'm an agent. Be respectful, okay?
Sorry.
What do you want?
Well, Kush Agrawal gave me your number. He's my husband, and I am the owner of Agrawal Industries.
Owner? But the two owners of that company.
Yes, I'm one of them. Well, you told Kush about a 300-acre land, remember? I want to talk to you about the same piece of land. Can we meet?
Yes, well, that's a golden deal. Your business will take off, mark my words. But, I'm busy right now, so I can't meet you now. I already have 2 more clients interested in that land. So let me do one thing. I can take it on this site the day after tomorrow.
Yes, of course. All right. Well, the paperwork for that land...
Don't worry about that, ma'am. Don't worry. Paperwork is done for even an inch of land. There won't be any fraud in my presence. And we're talking about 300 acres of land.
Oh, okay. We'll meet the day after tomorrow, right?
Where are you planning to go the day after tomorrow? Well, I was passing by and I overheard you talking on the phone.
Love, I was thinking something. Actually, I was thinking about this boutique. I have a friend who recently opened a designer store in Kolkata. I have to go to its opening the day after tomorrow.
So, why do you look so tense? You can go. Have fun.
Yes, well, I'm a little confused. Well, I am one of the partners in Agrawal Industries, so if I go there, I will have to buy something expensive, you know.
Oh, by the way, she's your friend. You shouldn't mind going. Manage it yourself. For now, I want to talk to you about something important. We are new partners, so we should make new investments and start new ventures together. You must keep me in the loop if you plan a new project or start an investment.
Wow, my Shah Rukh Khan! That was good acting! You don't need the script! By the way, Arjun, why don't you try being an actor? You look fine.
No, of course. Make fun of me all you want. Everything came out naturally when I heard Niharika's voice. Thankfully. But there, I'm wondering what I should do next.
Nothing, Arjun. The plan is foolproof. I spoke to Kush. The papers that I showed you, we need to show the same papers to Niharika. The land is disputed, no one goes there. In fact, even the owner never goes there. Arjun, just watch. Together, we all are going to fool Niharika. And by we, I mean Dad, Mom, Deepika, you and me. We all will go there, but in a disguised form. That's when the plan will work.
By the way, even I'm looking for opportunities. If we find a good project, we can invest together, right? What happened? I see. You must be wondering why I would tell you all this. If we make a shared investment, we'll also share half risk. We will only have to invest half the amount, right?
Yes, of course, love. This goes without saying. We are partners after all, so we'll do everything together only. Partnership, my foot. If the risk is half, the profit will be half too. I'm not going to share my profit this time. I will make this land deal all by myself.
I need your sign on these papers.
What are these?
Our company invested in shares. They are the investment documents.
Ma'am! Niharika ma'am!
Give me a second.
Niharika Agarwal. In the past 10 days, I have understood you enough to know that shopping doesn't confuse you. There is something that you are trying to hide from me. But what? I just gave you one job. Keep an eye on Arjun Agarwal. And you couldn't do that too? How can someone play with a broken hand? What's his plan? Find out.
Karan! Guess what? I have a surprise for
Surprise?
you. Make a guess, please.
Please, Kavita. I'm not in the mood for jokes.
All right. Sorry. Please calm down. I won't build suspense. Mrs. Surprise, please come in. Karan, meet Balwinder. He's the one I spoke to you about. He will be my partner against Diya and Arjun at the mixed doubles.
Welcome to my team, Balwinder. Now both of you should start practicing at the earliest. I will deal with Arjun. My informer is tailing him. We will know about his plan soon.
Done, Karan.
One more thing. You both won't practice at the academy. I don't want the world to see my trump card just yet. I want to see Arjun and Diya get shocked on the day of the tournament. My friend has a private badminton court. You both can practice there.
Arjun, I won't rest until your hand fully recovers. Believe me, no one will know that you.
What's going on here?
Actually, Deepika, it's nothing. Just Arjun's treatment.
Oh, treatment. I am so sorry, my timing was bad. What happened? Why did you stop? Continue. I am going. I didn't say anything. You have to hold his hand to treat his wound. There's nothing to feel embarrassed about it.
Why would we feel embarrassed? We won't do anything wrong. I have every right to hold a hand.
Oh, I see. So now you're claiming your right over her.
Yeah, so why not? I mean, I have the right to hold my wife's hand. What is there to feel embarrassed about? She's my wife. I will hold her hand confidently.
Oh, I see. Then why did you let her go when I came?
Well,
Why are you fumbling now, huh? Since you are so confident, then hold her hand throughout the day.
Really? Are you challenging me? Fine. There you go. I held my wife's hand.
Arjun, what are you doing? Leave my hand.
This is great, Diya. You've really worked your charm on Arjun. He's totally in love with you. It's good. Keep holding each other's hands forever. That reminds me, you guys never had a wedding night.
Ah, yes, our wedding night. What? What? I mean, why are you bothering my wife?
Wow, now you're defending your wife. You really are crazy about your wife.
Yeah, so what's wrong with that? I mean, a husband should be crazy about his wife.
Arjun, what are you saying?
All right, fine. I don't want to be the third wheel. I'm going. You guys should carry on.
Arjun, why did you...
Wait, where are you going? Who'll tie the bandage?
Are you done with your jokes? Huh?
Jokes? Do you think that was a joke? I wasn't joking. You're my wife. I have a right to hold your hand. No?
Yes, right to hold your hand. You say absurd things at times.
Why?
Arjun, I'm worried. During the fitness test, they will surely ask about your right hand.
Yeah, so let them ask. I will tell them that I can play with my left hand. But I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about because it's been 2 days since I submitted the form, but I still haven't received a call.
Yes, Arjun, that's what's worrying me as well. Arjun, do you remember what did they do to me during my fitness test? Arjun, Karan can manipulate the staff at the academy in spite of being outside.
Diya, we shouldn't feel disheartened by thinking about that. Let's just focus on the game. We need to be in sync while playing mixed doubles. Diya, I have an idea. We should practice at the park behind the house after lunch.
All right. It's Kush. Kush! Arjun, we forgot. We were supposed to show that piece of land to Niharika today. What we will do now?
Answer the call.
Yes, Kush.
Diya, Niharika is going to leave in some time. Is Arjun ready?
Yes, Arjun is almost ready, Kush.
Almost. Ask him to get ready immediately. We don't have much time with us. Niharika will call her anytime now. And yes, Diya, keep one thing in your mind. No one should find out that it's Arjun behind the disguise. Okay? Ask him to carry fake IDs with him. Look, Niharika seemed really excited today. And if everything goes well, then we'll be able to trap her.
Yes, Kush. Don't worry. I'll talk to Arjun.
All right. I'll hang up now.
All right. Bye. Arjun, how could we forget something so important? What
Diya,
we'll do
forget
now?
about all that. How will we manage to get a costume for me at such short notice?
Huh? What do you mean? But we don't have a choice. Arjun, you don't have to worry about that. I will work out something. You just focus on the character of the broker. Arjun, do you remember what we talked about? You know what to say, right? Don't mess up, please.
You should go.
Are you going somewhere? You seem to be in a hurry.
No, it's nothing important. It's just something that we need to take care of.
Good. Can you wait for some time?
Oh, why? I mean, what do you want? Tell me.
I can't tell you here. I need to talk to you about something important in detail. It will take some time. Stay here. We should sit and talk.
Actually, love, we are getting a little late. Can we talk after we come back?
But you said that it was nothing important. Then how does it matter if you get late?
It's nothing important. Actually, we are going on a lunch date. It's been very long since we went out on a date. We are also going for a meeting as well.
Meeting? With whom?
Actually, the meeting between a husband and a wife. What else? I was referring to our date. I can't give you the details of our little date, huh? Anyway, if you're interested in knowing, we'll tell you. Actually, our anniversary is in a few days. So Kush has planned something romantic for me. He even promised me that after the romantic date, he's going to give me a diamond necklace. Your stingy brother. He's finally going to give me a gift after so long. And you're making us late. Let's go, honey. We'll talk in the evening. Let's go. Come on. Come
Hey,
on.
Niharika. I think Love wants to talk to you about something very important. It's a matter of a few minutes. We can go for our lunch date and shop for jewelry later. Tell her, what do you want to tell her?
Wow. I knew that you were an actress, but you're a horrible actress. And now even your husband has joined your troupe. But let me tell you one thing. By hiding the truth from me and double-crossing me, you are going to end up losing everything.
No, Love. That's not true.
It's good if that's not true. Actually, I wanted to talk to you about a land deal. You are a 50% partner with Agarwal Constructions, so I thought I should have this discussion with you. But it seems both of you are busy, so I don't want to disturb you both. So carry on with your date. I can handle this deal alone. Because I know you trust me, Niharika, right?
You don't need to say that, Love. But you don't need to do all the hard work alone. I mean, both of you are equal partners in the business and you share profits too. So why should one person do the work? Even Niharika will help you with this deal. In fact, I'll help you with this business.
You are offering to help me. Since when do you understand matters of business?
Love, I might not have such business acumen, but I understand what's right and wrong, what's profitable and not. And my help will only add to your profits. Anyways, let's discuss the deal after we come back. Shall we go, Niharika?
I'm sure they're hiding something from me. And I'm sure they are not going on a lunch date.